This will be the last time I'm going to cancel you on this again. If you are still using your African TikTok, that is an account that you created in Africa, whatever African country you created it in, I am advising you to abandon it now. Yes, I said so. And I am very unapologetic about this because I have told you time and again that your African TikTok is actually a limitation.
What is this saying?
Did you know that even less than 1,000 followers you can make money through TikTok? A lot of people don't know this. I will bet then, which account are you using? If you are still using your African TikTok,
you go faint, oh, you go faint. Body go tell you.
I am very, very sorry because it's not going to earn you any money. I am coming to tell you again for the last time, you have to by every cost abandon the account you have now if it's created in Africa. No matter how many followers you are, social media is no more for fun. Social media is an oil well, and for you to make that money you need knowledge. And this is one of the reasons I call on you all to always follow my videos so that you get tips like this. For instance, this is an African account. If you see, it doesn't have TikTok creators reward, but this is UK TikTok account. That's why you always see me, most people that follow my status, you always see me post TikTok UK and US TikTok accounts for sale. If you are still using that your African TikTok account, despite how many followers you have, apart from gifts that you receive from followers, you have nothing else to earn from such an account. But then, did you know that with an account of 10,000 followers, you can earn at least $100 per month?
This shock me.
Creating videos of more than 60 seconds. This is shocking to some people, but a lot of people already know this, but they are reluctant. If you cannot create a new TikTok account, I am available and I have TikTok accounts available from 10,000 followers and above that you can buy and continue creating contents. TikTok is not like Facebook, it's not like YouTube that you need to relate with particular contents. TikTok can make any content go viral very fast, and that is why I call on you. If you don't have a UK or US or TikTok account, just contact this number on your screen. Big Benji, turning your content into check. And get a TikTok account for yourself that is going to earn you huge amount of money. Don't say I didn't tell you. This is the last time I'm telling you, and I'm not going to say it again. Thank you very much, and please, if you find this video educative, share this with those your TikTok friends that are using ordinary TikTok accounts to create videos that are not earning them money. This is Big Benji Tech. Follow for more tips like this.
Brand it, grow it, energize it. If you need promotion done correct, contact Big Benji Tech. Open